So, let's talk about the elephant in the room. The bar exam. It can be a beast. It's grueling and can seem overwhelming. You've heard it from so many who've gone before you. The bar prep journey is grinding, emotional, ambitious, and even euphoric.
We get it. We faced the bar exam and we know exactly what you're up against.
There will be challenges and dark days, but you'll face those challenges. Embrace your own abilities and rise above, all the way to the triumphant finish line.
This is a proven process developed, refined, and perfected over 50+ years. It's designed to give you motivation, to keep you moving forward, mastery of the subject matter, and resilience, so you can handle all the pressure the bar exam throws your way.
Now our job is getting you 100% confident in yourself.
So you walk into that exam with one thought.
Yes, I
can. The BARBRI way isn't just proven. It's personalized. It's your personal study plan, or PSP, keeping you focused and on track, giving you control over your study, and increasing your chances of passing with every minute you invest. Now, life doesn't stop during bar prep. Work, family, and even recharge time are important in keeping your sanity during your journey, so you can customize everything from your start date to days you're unable to study, personalized and flexible, based on your input.
Next, the MBE, which can be kind of scary. Multiple choice can seem like multiple ways to fail. So BARBRI gives you over 5,500 practice questions modeled after actual MBE questions. Questions with explanatory answers and detailed feedback. So you're not just practicing, you're learning and boosting your confidence.
Let's move from scary to comforting. Lectures delivered by brilliant legal minds. Names you'll recognize. Professors who know how to captivate and truly teach you exactly what you need to know in order to pass.
Another bar exam challenge? What kind of writer are you? Writing bar exam essays is unlike any other writing you've ever done. That's the bad news. The good news is, BARBRI offers focused training that fine-tunes your critical thinking and writing skills so that your essay answers make the grade.
You'll get personalized feedback along the way from trained graders, all who know exactly how to give effective and actionable critique. It's as close to the real thing as you can get prior to exam day.
How will you know your PSP is really working? That's where your Progress Center comes in. It shows you exactly where you stand. You'll know how much you've completed and if you're on track. You'll know subject by subject how you're doing compared to the largest pool of students studying for the same exam. There's also the BARBRI Simulated MBE. By subject and subtopic, it shows where you sit on the bar exam curve weeks before the actual exam, leaving you plenty of time to adjust your studies and get the points you need to push you over the pass line.
Finally, it's one thing to say the BARBRI way works, but let's think like lawyers. Where's the proof?
Right here. We have the most passes of any course. Nearly 90% of our students who do the average amount of prep pass the bar exam. Don't take our word for it, though. Ask the 1.3 million lawyers, judges, and legal professionals who've passed the BARBRI way.
We help you get the most points. Study after study shows BARBRI students score more points compared to those who don't study the BARBRI way.
We have a proven track record. We've spent over 50 years optimizing and investing, and that's why every minute you spend on BARBRI increases your chances of passing the bar.
We're the most personalized. Everything is statistically correlated to you passing your exam, and it automatically recalibrates as it learns from you, your schedule customizations, and the time remaining until your exam.
More students prepare with BARBRI every year than with all other bar prep courses combined. For an exam with a curved score, that means you can trust us to analyze your chances of passing before you sit for the exam.
We both know the bar exam is a beast. It's hard. And no bar prep course can make the bar exam easy.
But we can make it easier. Easier to stay motivated. Easier for you to master the right things. and easier to be resilient as you realize your dream of passing the bar and, yes, becoming a lawyer.
Ready to start your journey? Great, because we'll be with you every step of the way.